Hi everyone, I was sent these really cute beach toys. They say that they're made of silicone, they're BPA free, and they're really adorable, and they squeak. Really cute. All of them squeak. Really great for fine motor, building skills, kind of give a little pressure there. Great for getting your kids ready for handwriting. Just squeeze. You can do the pincer squeeze or 3 squeeze. Whoops. And these guys have a really cool packaging system. It came in a bag, and you don't even have to use scissors to get them open. It just came like this, and then you just open it. So I'll try and open the other one here to show you what's in. So you squeeze these together and just pull it apart, and it's just wrapped around. You just take it off. You don't even need scissors. So let's see what else is in the bucket here. Water balloons. This is a beach ball. I'll open that. Pretty cool. Beach ball. It's a regular of those. And then we have some sand toys. They're all flexible and bendy. A little crab. A shovel. Kind of flexible. Oh, and it even has a handle for the bucket. And the bucket has cute little designs on it. There's the crab, little sea turtle. Oh, look, here's the so cute sea turtle. Can make a little impression in the sand. Little designs in there. Seashell. Oh, starfish. Lots of little impressions in there to put in the sand. And a dolphin. Pretty cute. And then has 2 handles to put on. I don't know if I'll be able to get them on or not. Has like a little a little bit hard, but that's probably because they don't want it to come off again. So I'll just let you. It wasn't too bad to put it on. So then there's 2 handles, and then the kids can put everything back into their bucket when they're done. And then if you want to store the stuff and put it back in the bag, you always have these cute little clips. So I did receive this product free. I'll leave the link down below for you to check it out. I don't know what happened to the other one. He rolled away. So check out the link down below. It will be an affiliate link. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll keep sharing videos for products that will be helpful to you, your kids, homeschooling families, occupational therapists, all things like that. So thanks.